Today we're going to learn about hypothesis. So what is it and how do I form one? In this video you will learn what a hypothesis is, the order we use to form a proper hypothesis, and some examples that we will dissect together. So firstly, what is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is an educated guess or prediction based on the independent variable and dependent variable. Now, there will be another video coming out shortly about the independent and dependent variable, which is also important for this. So, organizing your hypothesis. We follow this guideline, which is very helpful. So, we follow the if, then, because. So, if the independent variable is describe the change, then the dependent variable will predict the effect because, and you need to state your reasoning. I know this sounds very complicated, but once you start it, you will see that it's actually very easy. It's the way it should be normally, as in it's the way you automatically want to write it. All right, so let's dive into it. So we're going to dissect a hypothesis. So we know that the dependent variable is the thing you are measuring. So it's also known as the responding variable, okay? And the independent variable is the thing you are testing. So we are testing something. So if we need to make sure we have if and then, we're going to put it into blue. So we have if right away. We're going to mark that into blue. Oops. It will let me. There we go. Into blue. Is there a then? Right. Then into blue. All right, so if we use thicker dishwashing liquid, then we will have bigger bubbles because the thicker solution will hold more air before popping than the thinner liquid. So I have already dissected it. I have the if and then in my hypothesis. Now I need to make sure, is there an independent variable? So again, the independent variable is the thing we are testing that we can manipulate, we can change. So if we use thicker dishwashing liquid, can we change that? Yes, we can manipulate that. So that is purple, that is our independent. So if we use thicker dishwashing liquid, then we will have bigger bubbles because the thicker solution will hold more air before popping than a thinner liquid. So what is the explanation? Let's go down here. So let's do pink. So because, an explanation in pink. We have the word because and our explanation. That gets rid of a big chunk of it for us. That's why I do this one first normally, the because. And then dependent variable in green. We will have what? Bigger bubbles. That's what's going to depend on it. All right, in green. Okay, so we'll move to the second one. So dissecting hypothesis number 2. So if students read for 30 minutes each day, then their reading level will increase because they will recognize words faster. So we're going to quickly go through. I see the if. Oops. Oh, it's doing this again. Okay, if into blue and then into blue right away. So the independent variable is the thing we are testing. So if students read for 30 minutes, read for 30 minutes each day, that is purple. Then their reading level will increase because, so it's easier to really find the dependent variable sometimes once you find the explanation in the word because they recognize words faster. So then their reading level will increase. That's the thing we want to see change. All right, so dependent into green.